Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Articulate Academy. Have you already watched the video title? So you might be understood at what topic I'm going to talk about it. That's very important skill that every person should have. Before start the video, I will ask one question that do you have any mentor in your life? So what do you think? What are the key factors, the key features that it does have in that person? So if you have any mentor in your life, so let me know into the comment box and tell me what are the key features he have. Did you observe that what kind of features, what the qualities he have in that person? So before further delay, let's start the video. Point number 1 for building up a self-confidence. Self-confidence is super important. Confidence is not only important for speaking fluent English, but it's important for every step of your life. So without further delay, let's start the video. Point number 1 for building up the quality of a self-confidence, that self-acceptance. Self-acceptance is very important factor. You have to be accept yourself. You have to be embrace yourself that what you are. How does it matter that what kind of flaws in your personality? You have to be accept yourself, including your weaknesses, including your strength. Okay, you have to be recognized that nobody is perfect. It's totally okay. Nobody is perfect, and this is totally okay. You have to be accept yourself. If you really want that people will like you, if you really want them, they will like you, they respect you, they love you. You really want them, they listen you. So you have to be like yourself. You have to be embrace yourself with your all flaws, with your all weaknesses, and along with your strength. So this is very important to building up the quality of a self-confidence. You have to be accept yourself. Point number 2, this is also very important to building up the self-confidence, and that is knowledge. If you're talking about at any subject or any topic or anything, okay, for example, if you are sitting in a hall, in a class, or in a public, anywhere, how does it matter? Okay, so what are you talking about? If you have proper knowledge on it, if you collected up-to-date and accurate information on it, so definitely you will feel more confidence. It will enhance your self-confidence. That, for example, there are many people sitting over there and they are talking about that relevant topic, and you have a more knowledge and accurate information about that relevant topic, so definitely you will feel more confident. It's natural that I have ability and I know many things about that relevant topic. Now I will express everything. I will say it to all. So definitely it will improve your self-confidence. Okay, so knowing about anything, it's very important for building up self-confidence. Point number 3 for building up a self-confidence, that is dressed up. To be dressed up, it really does not mean that you have to be wearing a very branded clothes or you have to be wearing a very expensive clothes. Not at all. You no need to become a very brand conscious. To be dressed up, I mean to say that your clothes should be very clean. Your clothes should be very ironed. Your clothes should be clean. Your clothes should be ironed. Your nails should be trimmed. And your hair should be short. You should be wearing some jewelry accessories. You have to be put on some makeup on your face. You have to be use some perfume or scent. And definitely, I'm sure when you will go and stand in front of the mirror and when you will see to yourself, I'm definitely sure you will must like yourself. You will start like yourself. You will start love yourself because you're looking very pretty. You're looking very good. Okay, so a voice is coming from inside that now, yes, I'm looking very pretty. So definitely to be dressed up, it will enhance, it will improve your self-confidence. If you like yourself, so definitely when you will go to the outside, when you will go into the public, people will also like you, and definitely it will enhance your confidence. So to be dressed up, it's a very important factor for to be a self-confidence. 4 points, this is also very important, and that is communication skills. Communication skills are very important. Like if you're speaking very slow or or if you're speaking very fast, okay, with anyone, it will give a very bad impact. Your sound's not good, okay. You will have to be maintain the speed of your speaking. It's very important. So in that way you have to be improve your communication skills, the way you speak, the way you behave, okay. These all things comes into your communication skills. You have to be improve your voice modulation. You have to be take care of your style. If you're speaking with a style, so it will gives a very positive impact on the other people. So communication skills is a very important factor to building up a self-confident. And there is a last and a very important factor, and that is body language. It counts everything, okay. Like if you're standing, so you have to be stand tall, okay. If you are sitting, you have to be sit properly. You will not have to be put down your shoulders. And if you're talking to someone, okay, you have to be make eye contact. To making eye contact with someone, it really does not mean that you have to be staring someone else constantly. If you're staring someone, okay, it will give a very bad impact on other people. You will not have to be staring at someone else. Making a eye contact, then take a pause and just put down your eyes, and for 3 or 4 seconds you have to be you can look left or right. So making eye contact, how you are moving your hands while you are speaking, your postures, your gestures, how you're standing, how you're sitting, okay, how you're making eye contact, everything is very important in body language. This is also a very important factor for building up a confidence. So these are the 5 points are very important for building up a self-confidence. So this is all about video, but at the end of the video I will definitely tell you that remember one thing very important, that to building up a self-confidence is a complete process. You cannot building up in just one day or in a 1 week. It will take your time, it will take your effort, it will take your attention, okay. So you have to be patient yourself and celebrate the small progress, the small success along the way. So this is all about video today. If you like this video and did I add any video in your life, so let me know into the comment box and like my video, share it with your friends. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.